Welcome to the Atheist House channel. Today we discuss the address of God. What is the address of God? Okay, we start now. Ever since the creation of a man in the world, there has been an inexorable effort to know and understand the unknown. That effort to know something is still going on today and will continue in the future. And from that desires to know, let's try to know a little today. Where is the address of Allah, Ishwar or God? That is, where does Allah or God live? The believers cannot agree with each other in what they say, nor can they reconcile themselves to what they say. Islam says that Allah is everywhere, and the believers in Islam say that Allah lives in the mosque. He does not live in the temple, gurudwaras, or churches. Hinduism, read Sanatana Dharma, says Ishwar, God, resides in the sky. Again, the believers in traditional religion say that God resides in the temple. He does not stay in churches, gurudwaras, or mosque. Christianity says God is in heaven. Again, the believers in Christianity say that God lives in the church. He does not stay in temples, gurudwaras, or mosques. Again, these religions, believers, are saying that all are one. Allah or God is the same. There is nothing different. Well, now the question is, if they are of the same, why there were different residents of them? Why different addresses? Allah or God can be in the same place. For example, Allah is in charge of temple, or God is in charge of mosque, or God in temples or mosques. But in the reality, their addresses are mysterious, and it is quite confusing. So, where is Allah or God live? To know the exact address of Allah, you must search the pages of the Quran that contains of strange and fictional stories. To know the address of Bhagavan, you must look through the pages of Manu Samhita, Mahabharata, Ramayana. To even know the exact address of God, one must search the pages of the Bible that is full of unreal and imaginary stories. You don't know the alternative from that. You cannot find Allah or God in the sky, because the sky is the part of that is located outside of the Earth's surface, also part of the atmosphere and outer space. From Earth's surface, it is visualized as an imaginary sphere in which the sun, stars, moons, and planets are seen to move. With the help of science, scientists are sending spaceships or planets, taking pictures and constantly doing research. But there is no Allah, Ishwar, or God to be seen. Nor was any picture of them caught on camera. That is, it is not possible for them to be lived anywhere in the space of the universe. So, where is the address of Allah or God? There is no address? Yes, must have. There is address of God in your ignorance, in your irrational and unquestioning brain. First, you must have learned how to question and try to understand. Only then you will know if there is an address of Allah or God. Human depends on Allah or God, and the character of this invisible story will end only when people become scientific minded, will be able to overcome their weakness by using science and technology, will practice rationally and become confident. Think and ask, where is the address of God? What? Would you not raise questions?